Hi, I'm Andrew with Mohawk Valley Energy Solutions, and today we're about to do this crawl space behind me. This crawl space is unconditioned. It's vented to the exterior, which poses a couple of problems. Number one is the temperature. So the temperature inside the crawl space right now is similar to the temperature outside the house, which is well below freezing. And we've got ducts passing through that unconditioned crawl space. Those ducts have since been disconnected, but that would pose a problem if you wanted to try to get heating ducts through a space like that. Another issue is humidity, especially in the summertime. Having a vented crawl space poses tons of problems with humidity. So we're going to talk more about that later. Another issue is the insulation itself. It's fiberglass and it's up against the floor, and over time gravity wants to pull that down. Also, mice love to find little spots to nest inside of that, and I'm sure we might find some signs of that as we pull this down today. So let's get to it and I'll show you the job as it progresses.
So Everett's back there pulling out some of that insulation, and you can just see this is all just fecal matter throughout the insulation. It's all just chewed up, you got all sorts of debris, and this is really a perfect place for rodents to live unless you treat it properly. So right here on the first bat that we pulled out, you can see the mouse activity, and they made a hole right through that insulation. They make a nice little burrow in there, and you can see droppings, and this is where they spend the winter. Nice little spot for them. And then again up top, and it's just a very common problem that we run across. Look how much they just chewed up that insulation, how little that was really doing down here, and just covered with feces. Just not healthy for your home at all. So now that we've removed all the insulation, you don't have to worry about mold because we're going to be encapsulating this crawl space.
Next, we installed drainage matting along the entire floor space of the crawl space. This separates the house from the earth and provides pathways for water to drain out underneath. Next, we installed TerraBlock insulation. This is a specially designed crawl space insulation that is meant to be laid over top of the drainage matting and provides additional R value, separating the house thermally from the ground. After that, we installed GoldSeal. This 10 mil thick vapor barrier is installed on top of the TerraBlock and provides both a vapor barrier and a way to manage indoor humidity. After that's done and secured to the wall, we go through and spray foam the walls with about 2 inches of closed cell foam to provide an air barrier and thermal barrier. The end result is a crawl space that is both warmer, drier, more comfortable, and healthy for the home above.
Thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more home maintenance tips. See you next time.